Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your September love and work forecast for Aries. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Aries, this reading is for you. If you know an Aries, you can cross watch it for them. Friends, make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Winds Tarot. Subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Winds Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. And friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. Make sure to watch out the September pick a card readings. Also, friends, horoscope readings like this in Hindi Urdu are already done, so you can check that out on the other channel, Magic Winds Tarot Hindi Urdu. And let's see, Aries, what's coming your way in September. I'm excited. Are we gonna look at your love and work both? Let's see. So, Aries, what is the theme of the month of September for Aries? Wow, completion. Nine of Swords and my God, Three of Pentacles. That's interesting. So definitely this is a month of endings and new beginnings. Things are falling into place for you, Aries. Things are finally aligning in order for you. And I think you are certainly worried about something right now, friends, Aries. Um, maybe you are going through some health issues. Maybe you are going through some worries, some challenges, some burdens. Definitely those things are going to be resolved and you will find the end solutions, resolutions this month. This is the month of resolution. This is the month of completion and a new start for you, Aries. And yes, you're gonna find a lot of support, a lot of help. This is a month where support is coming, help is coming from all directions for you, and I do feel you need it. You know, I do feel you need it, Aries, because you are definitely feeling a bit lonely right now. You're definitely feeling like you need some support, you need some sort of extra help you need, or you just need some a positive push from the universe, and that's coming your way, friends. That's definitely coming for you. And yeah, I do feel, friends, that this is an important month for you where things are falling in place. Certain things which you are worried about will not happen, but in fact, better things will happen in its place. And that's a wonderful thing for this month. Let's see what else. Ooh, my God. So there are decisions coming in this month for you. In the month of September, there are choices, there are decisions for you. And I do feel this is an important month and it's a great and powerful month for you, friends. Whatever you decide or whatever is happening, it is destined for you, and it will give you a sense of relief, a sense of freedom and happiness, friends. Let's see now your love life. So let us see your love life, Aries, now in the month of September. All right, the rebel, projections, tuning, Four of Cups, the integration, nice. Aries, their love life in September. Ooh, the Wheel of Fortune, the Fool. Wow, that's beautiful. Wow, healing. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person might be important for you, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important, friends. Existence, innocence, High Priestess. Wow, this is beautiful. Exhaustion, Nine of Wands, transformation, Four of Wands, marriage. Marriage is very important, friends. And Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is also important for you. And success. Wow, this is a great month for you. A lot of things are happening for you. So let us see, friends, what is happening. Definitely, when you start the month, when you start the month of September, there is a sense of waiting, a sense of confusion in your love life in some way. It feels like things are at a pause in your love life, or you are single. So nothing is happening. Your focus is more on yourself, on your healing, on taking care of yourself. Somewhere, some of you are dealing with a twin flame relationship, friends, in the month of September. I also feel your partner is, if you are in a relationship, or like if you have anybody in your life, in the first week of September, you feel like this person is an exact opposite of you. They don't understand you. or you don't understand them. Like, there is some sort of a disparity, confusion, and misunderstanding between you and a lover. If you are single, definitely first week you are taking to fulfill yourself, to focus on meditation on yourself. Also, you may be feeling like you are a little misunderstood by people, Aries. You feel like people do not really understand you, or people think that you are you are rebellious. People think that you are little, you are a little misunderstood this first week. Also, some of you may also be, if you are in a relationship, you may want to feel like running away from that relationship, because definitely, either you or your partner feels that way, that they want to run away or escape, because there is an issue of lack of understanding, misalignment is happening in the first week of September. But it is, actually the energy of confusion, nothing else. Emotional confusion is happening. If you meditate and go slow in the first week, things will be better. Even if you are single, friends, you will feel like you want somebody very different, and that somebody doesn't exist on the planet Earth. So you are like, where is that somebody? Well, you must think within your heart, where is that person, because you know it. So meditation, taking it slow, is very important in the first week of September. Let's see the second week of. I think you want to jump to the third, but we have to go to the second week of September. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important, friends. And I do feel this is the week communications will actually start. Your person will message you. You guys will also start, reciprocating their love, their responses. There is love and communications happening in the second week. I also feel that, yes, a new start, a powerful leap of faith is going to happen in your love life in the second week of September. You might give somebody a second chance. And yes, destiny is definitely aligning you with the person or with the love of your life. So if you are single, second week is the time you're gonna meet somebody, the love of your life. And also, if even if you are with a past person or with a current partner, things will get better in this relationship in the second week. I do feel, friends, destiny is big. Destiny is really shaping this relationship. So you really can't do much, in your love life in September, because destiny is taking a larger, like a sense of completion. Destiny is doing things in your life, in your love life. So everything is good. You feel more ready to love in the second week of September. Let us see the third week of September. Wow. I do feel that you are a little tired because of work or because of the past issues that are going in your life, some burdens. I also feel your partner may also be feeling burdened because of past guilt or some third party issues. They are also feeling guilty, burdened. But this connection is very special. You guys complete each other. You guys are like the twin flames, the eternal lovers of each other. So, in the first week, whatever you were missing in each other, you find it back in the third week of September. So, congratulations. Yeah, I do feel that, this is the week telepathy will also be very high, your intuition will be very high, your partner will be talking to you through dreams, through messages. And yes, you have to keep an open mind, you have to see each other innocently and not judge each other on the past actions a lot, because this week has a lot of potential for love. And look at that, the love is really celestial in the third week. And there is a full moon in Pisces, so that will really support your love life, Aries. And it will make things more emotional, more cuddly, more sweet, more cosmic. Love is very cosmic, love is very eternal, and you will feel in the third week that yes, you have found the one you were looking for. So it's amazing. Let's see the third week. Oh, let's see the final week. All right, an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important, or you might be talking more to your partner online or on social media, more phone conversations rather than face to face meeting. I also feel some sort of a marriage proposal is coming to you in the fourth week. Also, if you are married, your marriage will be getting better, or there is some sort of a change coming in your marriage, like better communications will happen. But I feel this is mostly Your partner will propose marriage, or marriage talk of marriage, commitment, settlement, all these things will be talked and shared and discussed in the final week. And yes, your love life is successful, your partner is finally able to win you, Aries. And yes, your partner is changing, you are changing, there is a lot of growth and emotional and spiritual progress you guys are making, Aries, with your lover in the month of September. What a month for you. Let's see the advice. So, what is the advice for our beautiful ladies for their love life? Awareness, see, that's what exactly I was talking about. You can manifest whatever you want, and this month, whatever you wish, or what this is month. Love is about awareness. What you feel is love. What you feel or think, or desire, that is love. If you feel you are different, you will attract different people. It's you will manifest whatever you want, friends. So be careful of what you really really want, because if you are negative, you may attract somebody negative. And recognition and rewards, yes, friends, rewards are coming for you, love is coming for you, success, and people who left you in the past, who never apologized, who never told you that you are amazing. I do feel some sort of a healing will happen, some sort of a closure will happen, and it will be like they will say yes, you are amazing, you will say they are amazing. So that's the energy. Trapped in fear, do not be scared, Aries, of the changes which are coming, because Aries are like, they are very full of energy, full of life, but sometimes they like to be in control, just like a fire sign. They love change, but not change which is not planned by them. So keep an open mind, keep an open mind. Things will get better than you expect this month, but you should stay flexible in your love life, and that's one thing you should keep in mind. Stay conscious and ask and you shall receive it. Let's see your work and career. Aries, your work and career, let's see. Conditioning. Ooh, Ace of Swords. So a new contract is coming, friends, and your own energy is here. The Queen of Wands. So wow, powerful energies are there. All right. So definitely this month your work and finances are especially karmic in nature, in the sense destiny is working with you. I do feel that you had been working very, very hard, friends. That's why you are a little worried or anxious also. Some of you may be having exams this month and results are coming out, or you are giving a crucial exam or an interview. Um, some of you may also be having some projects or dealing projects which are very big, and you might be expecting that you get that project which is really big, or get that pay package, or get that job abroad. Yes, you are waiting for that, and I do feel there is a high chance you might get those jobs, that abroad placement. You will clear your exams, friends. Yes, it is going to happen, and I do feel that there is a lot of happiness coming your way in your work, a lot of satisfaction, recognition. Money is also coming your way, friends. The only thing you need to keep in mind this month is you'll be a little emotional about your work. You will feel very connected, very proud, very happy about your work. But there are people who may not understand the nature of your work, who may not support your decisions. Like family can't understand you, your parents might not understand your nature of work. Maybe you are an entrepreneur and they can't understand it. Maybe you are a model, a photographer. Maybe your line that of maybe you want to go abroad, they can't understand it. So it can be a family member, it can be friends, it can be colleagues who don't understand or support your views. But you need not worry about it, because whatever is destined for you is going to happen. Your finances are destined. You're going to win a big lottery or something. Money is coming in big, friends, for you, Aries, and you are the only sign which is going to have more chances of money than any other sign, friends. So congratulations. How you communicate is very important, friends, this month, especially even if you are a student. What you write in your exams, how you present yourself, that's very, very important. And do not stay in the energy of fear, stay in the energy of positivity, and don't let others' criticism affect you, especially criticism from people you love. Someone may not understand your nature of work this month, or they may be a little jealous of your success, Aries, but do not let it stand in your way. Let us see some advice for you. So let us see the advice for you, Aries. Let us see, and some extra cards also we're gonna look. So your advice is, wow, focus on joy and contentment. Exactly what I was telling you, friends. This is a month you should focus on the good things, focus on the things which are, positive. Do not try and worry too much, because I don't know why, but it feels like this is a month you are a little stressed out, or you may feel a little confused. Try to stay positive, try to stay, think good things, and you will achieve them. Absolutely, this is a karmic and destined month for you. And compassion, be compassionate with yourself, Aries. Love yourself, don't be too hard on yourself, and forgive others. I know it's tough, Aries, to forgive yourself or forgive another person, but you can do it, Aries. I feel you can do it. All right, let's see. I do think you will be tired, I feel, in this month, because I do feel a little tired when I'm doing, like, as I progress in the reading, I start to feel, although I'm not feeling tired, it's just this energy that you have in this month. By the end of September, you'll be like, oh my god, I'm done. The month of May is important, friends. May is very important for you. Wealth, yes, money is a big issue for some of you, so money is coming. Family is very important, yes. Scissor, disappointment in some affair. Yeah, some people will disappoint you by judging you, not understanding you, but that's okay. Some other people will understand you, and that's what is this falling in place, that divine support. Some unsuccessful plans, yeah, things, there is some certain confusion. The advice I would give you, Aries, is what you are planning may not work, but something better will come in its place. So keep an open mind. Caterpillar, changes are coming. You are turning into a butterfly. Indecisiveness, allowing your life to ramble. Yeah, Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune, success is coming. Tower, solid foundations. Yes. Rat, someone is working behind your back. Yes, there are people who cannot digest your success this month. But that's okay, friends. That's their problem. You'll be taken care of. See, you are protected. Nothing to worry about. Moon, there are changes. You may have mood swings this month, Aries. I do feel your mood is changing a little this month, and a new job or a career is definitely coming for you. And that's it for now, Aries. Do subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday, or join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye.